Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Lachelle Trends, and sis, in today's video I am coming to you with a wig review slash styling video on this unit. This is from Ashimary Hair. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we're going to jump straight into this video. Again, this unit is from Ashimary Hair, and it came inside of this bag. Inside of that bag was another bag that was really cute, by the way, with their logo on it. But anyways, it came with elastic band inside, as well as an edge brush, and then a pair of lashes that were really cute. Then it came with this little thing that was a pair of glasses. Not sure what type of glasses, but they were a pair of glasses. And then it as well came with a robe. I undid the robe so you can see it. Not sure how you tie it up, but it is a cute silk robe. So now for the unit, this is their Put On and Go Pre-Cut Lace Deep Wave Wig. It's a glueless wig with a 5x5 HD lace closure. It's 26 inches and 250% density. The knots come pre-bleach, so you don't have to do that. Again, this is a pre-cut unit. In the inside, it has an elastic band, again, because it is a glueless unit, so it gives you that firm fit. As well, it doesn't have any combs in the inside. It just has like elastic around it just to grip the side of your head, but it does come with the adjustable straps at the bottom. So now let's get into this styling. So first I'm going to start off by tinting my lace using my lace tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown by the brand Red that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just spraying that tint all along the lace. Once I get it to my liking, I'm going to put the unit on. I do have my little slick back ponytail, no braids or anything like that, and I don't wear a wig cap. I kind of just put the unit on. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, put the unit on and get it situated. I did have a hard time putting the unit on just for the simple fact that that little elastic band, yeah, that elastic band is not it. Me and elastic bands do not get along, but it was so lumpy that you could feel it inside when I put the unit on. So yeah, I had to take that off, and then I reapplied the unit and got it situated. So now we're gonna part this unit. I'm gonna do a little bust down middle part because that's what I like best. So yeah, I'm just getting the part situated. Now I'm going to go in using my wax stick, and I'm going to apply that all along the part. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my hot comb. This is just to get the unit as flat as possible. So now that we got the hair flat, I'm gonna go in and start taking out some baby hairs. I'm just gonna take out a little baby hair on the sides. So now that we got the baby hair situated, I'm gonna go in and start plucking. I did not pluck this unit. Girl, I just forgot. I forgot. So I'm just gonna go in and pluck it a little bit, just so we're not giving synthetic old, you know, wig or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna pluck it just a little bit. So now that we have plucked the hairline, I'm now going to go in with my hot comb and just pretty much try to tidy up everything and get it to lay flat before I put on the elastic band. Oh sis, I forgot, before I put on the elastic band, I'm gonna go in with some mousse just to lay everything flat. And it kind of seems like when you put the mousse on the lace and on the front hairline or whatever, it kind of just lays, I don't know, it just seems like it acts as like a glue, but it's not a glue. It just lays it real flat and it just melts it into your skin. Like, I just feel like you need some mousse to like get it right and then get it melted. I don't know, it could just be me. I could just be in my head thinking that, but that's what it gives, okay? It gives melted. So girl, now we pretty much melted, so I'm going to stick this little elastic band on so it can give skin. So it can give scalp. Child, what I'm talking about. So it can give scalp. And then yeah, then I'm gonna just go back in with my hot comb, because you know I just have to lay everything and just get it as flat as can be. And then once I do that, we're gonna get these curls popping. So for these curls, I'll be using my spray bottle that only has water in it, as well as my Cantu curling cream. And I'm going to begin just spraying my hair with the water bottle first, and then going in with my curling cream. Girl, so now that we got these curls popping, I'm gonna take off my elastic band to see how melted we are. And sis, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. So yeah, I'm just gonna adjust everything and then start these baby hairs. Again, sis, baby hairs and me just don't be getting along. I really like to do the bare minimum, but today I was trying to be fancy, I guess, because I took out way too much hair. But we're gonna work with it. To lay them down, I'm using some more mousse, and yeah, we're just gonna swoop them to the side. Again, don't judge, they just baby hairs, okay? Okay sis, so we done with the baby hairs. Again, don't judge, they just baby hairs and they're gonna be covered up. I'm about to go in with my hot comb one more time, because you know I just can't get enough. I'm gonna make sure everything is flat and just adjust the front, because it did kind of get messed up with the band. So we're gonna get everything looking cute one more time. So to make sure everything is blended and melted in my skin, I'm going to go in with some more powder, or not even with some more because I never put any on. But I'm going to go in with some powder and just put that along the hairline, and then I'm going to add some powder to the part. And in the end, this is what the hair is giving, sis. Girl, talk to me nice. So we're looking cute per. The lace is really giving. It is looking like it's coming from my scalp. Again, this is a glueless unit, no glue needed. It is very beginner friendly. You literally can just sit this on your head and go for real. But you know, if you want to make it look nice, it's gonna take at least 15 or 20 minutes to get her right. But she's cute. The curls is popping. I will say that the ends of the hair does dry out, and it does shed a little bit and tangle a little bit. But besides that, it's a cute unit. I'll have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.